first line with AA. Open your mouth as wide as you can. Open it naturally. Don't stretch out, but try your best to open your mouth as wide as you can. Ba, pa, ma, fa, da, ta, na, la, ga, ka, nga, ha, qua, qua, wa, za, ta, sa, ya. Second line, A-A-I. Just now you learned that AA, you need to open your mouth as wide as you can. So now you still open your mouth with AA as wide as you can. And then you gradually transit to a flattened E. Letter I is E sound. The sound you need to stretch out, okay, with a flattened E sound, okay, as flattened as you can. So from AA to E will be like this. I keep the ending E sound, okay, for a while. Don't release it too fast, okay? So the transition is as long as you can, okay? I remember to open with a wide mouth shape AA, and then gradually close, gradually change to a flattened E, okay? And then keep the ending flattened E sound, okay? And then now with the whole line, I, buy, pie, my, fi, die, tie, night, lie, guy, tie, ngai, hai, quai, quai, wai, zai, cai, sai, yai. Third line, also open your AA wide. Now gradually change it to a protruding U. The letter U pronounced as Wu. Protrude your mouth to make the Wu. Okay? So from AA to Wu is ow, bow, pow, mow, now, lao, cow, cow, ngao, how, zao, cao, sao, aam. So gradually transit from open mouth aa and then to am. M just like the English letter M. You close your mouth and also close your lips. Okay, tightly close your mouth and lip to make the ending M. Okay, so you will be dam, tam, nam, lam, cam, ngam, ham, jam, cham, sam, an, pan, pan, man, fan, tan, tan, nan, lan, gan, ngan, han, quan, wan, zan, chan, san, ang, bang, pang, mang, lang, gang, ngang, hang, quang, quang, wang, zhang, chang, sang, up, tap, tap, nap, lap, gap, ngap, hap, zap, chap, sap, at, pat, mat, fat, tat, tat, nat, lat, gat, cat, ngat, quat, wat, tat, tat, sat,